We were a family of 5 children. At night, just to get out of the way, I'd go and do jigsaws in my bedroom. My sister was a sales rep for a company supplying watch parts. Every evening after school, I used to meet her at work. I'd always arrive 10 or 15 minutes early. I'd sit at a bench, borrow some tweezers, and play at making patterns or lines with watch parts. So that's pretty much how I learned watchmaking, through play. The number of parts varies from one movement to another. If it's a simple movement, the average would be 180, then anything up to 500 or 600. In terms of size, the smallest parts can be just 1/100th of a millimeter thick. Diameter varies a lot, but we're definitely talking about less than a millimeter. It doesn't take long to assemble a movement at production, like this one. Whereas we can easily spend a year developing a movement like this. Often we assemble and disassemble the same piece 10 or 20 times, repeating the same gesture over and over. We can spend 2 or 3 months finding the right force for something as simple as a spring. Some parts of the movement are easier to assemble than others. The most delicate of all are the escapement with the balance and spring. They form the heart of the watch. They bring the movement to life. The part of my job I most enjoy is working on complications. I like to sit and ponder over a complicated piece or solve a tricky problem. We each feel pride when we've finished off a movement. We're part of a company where everyone contributes and deserves to be proud. Myself, I feel good when I found a solution or the movement goes off to production and everyone's happy. Most of the time, people look at a watch and see the outside appearance, which is what sells the watch. This is disheartening for us, given the time we spent decorating a movement which more often than not, no one sees. This is all the more depressing, as it's the very heart of the watch that's hidden away inside. Over recent years, because so many watchmakers at the manufacture have worked to enhance their movements, the designers have incorporated sapphire crystals to reveal the beauty of the movement and certain of its functions. I'm currently working on a 280-piece jigsaw. It's as much of a passion as it always has been, and I can't see it changing today.